Lost your job? Here's what to do next, without panicking. Hello and welcome to Poor to Pro. Losing your job due to layoffs can feel like having the ground pulled out from under you. Whether you saw it coming or it blindsided you, it's a stressful and disorienting experience. But while it may feel overwhelming now, remember, this is a setback, not the end of your journey. If you've recently been laid off, here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the situation, regain stability, and build a path forward. 1. Take a breath and process your emotions. The initial shock of a layoff can trigger anxiety, sadness, or even anger, so give yourself time to process these emotions. While it's natural to panic, try not to make impulsive decisions. Action step. Allow yourself a day or two to absorb the news. Journal your thoughts, talk to a trusted friend, or engage in mindfulness activities to help you stay grounded. 2. Review your severance package and benefits. Many companies offer severance packages, which may include financial compensation, continued health insurance, or other benefits. Understanding your severance can help you plan your next steps. Action step. Read through all documents carefully before signing anything. Consult a lawyer or HR professional if you don't understand the terms. Check if you're eligible for continued health insurance, e.g., COBRA in the U.S. 3. File for unemployment benefits. If your layoff qualifies for unemployment assistance, apply as soon as possible. Benefits vary by state or country, but they can provide temporary financial relief while you job hunt. Action step. Research your local unemployment benefits and submit your application immediately, as processing can take time. 4. Assess your financial situation. Now's the time to take a hard look at your finances and adjust your budget. Calculate how long your savings and severance, if applicable, will last and identify any unnecessary expenses. Action step. Prioritize essential expenses like rent, food, and utilities. Cut discretionary spending, subscriptions, dining out, etc. Contact lenders if you need to negotiate payment plans. 5. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. With job markets fluctuating, positioning yourself as a strong candidate is crucial. Refresh your resume, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and start networking. Action step. Highlight key achievements and quantifiable results. Add new skills or certifications that boost your value. Let recruiters know you're open to work by enabling LinkedIn's job seeking feature. 6. Expand your job search. Don't just rely on job boards. Tap into your professional network, industry groups, and career fairs. Consider temporary or freelance work if needed. Action step. Set a daily job application goal, e.g., 5 applications per day. Connect with former colleagues for referrals. Explore new industries or remote work opportunities. 7. Consider upskilling or career shifts. If your industry is shrinking, now might be a good time to explore new career paths or learn in-demand skills. Many platforms offer free or affordable online courses. Action step. Identify skills gaps and enroll in relevant courses, e.g., tech skills, project management, digital marketing. 8. Take care of your mental and physical health. Job loss can take a toll on your well-being. Prioritize self-care, maintain a routine, and stay physically active. Action step. Get outside daily, exercise, or practice meditation. Stay socially connected to avoid isolation. Seek professional support if needed. 9. Explore alternative income streams. If traditional employment isn't working out immediately, look into gig work, freelancing, or starting a small business. Side hustles can provide income and stability during uncertain times. Action step. Consider platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or DoorDash, or monetize a skill like tutoring or consulting. 10. Stay resilient and keep moving forward. Job searches take time, and rejection is part of the process. Stay persistent, adapt as needed, and remind yourself that this layoff doesn't define your worth. Final thought. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Use this period as an opportunity to reassess, rebrand, and rebuild. Your next chapter may turn out better than you imagined. Thanks for watching. No matter your situation, you can go from poor to pro, so hit that subscribe button and let's get started.